Anyways.
Hi.
Okay, so you know how we've been spending a ton of time at Home Depot?
All of it. And
we're still here. No, just kidding. This is a separate trip of like 5. So we were gonna put this off, but we're really working on the RV stuff. We want to get it done. We got some things that we needed because we needed some carpet stuff, some wood stuff. Look at this. So
vinyl.
You can't tell what it is, but it's vinyl. And the guy's giving it to us for $25.
Shout out to our boy Josh.
Josh at Home Depot.
At Home Depot in Smyrna.
We told him how much carpet we needed, which is literally like the tiniest space ever because it's an RV. And he's just giving it to us for free. What? So I think it's safe to say that not spending $3,000 to fix the RV and doing it ourselves has definitely paid off.
Yep.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, this is a fun project, for real. I needed a place to put my laptop while we're traveling and we don't have a lot of room, so you want to make use of it. So I bought this, and it just so happens to fit my laptop perfectly, but I needed something to strap everything in. So we bought these little leather things, and look at this. You can just take it on and off. So this is going right here, if you can tell. And then we'll just slide the laptop out of that side while when we're parked and everything. RV mod, look at that, getting creative. And all I've had to use is scissors, some screwdrivers to get the mounting brackets on, and a staple gun. Super easy. Alright, finished product. And laptop goes right there. And then I also hung this little basket up to put my label printer in. How nifty. This doesn't look like progress, but it is. This I'm gonna save for later. I just pulled out this corner piece, just muddy wood nastiness. Now I'm gonna pull these screws out, put the wood hardener, a little more of that on here because it's super soft. See that? And then the rebuild. This has been a long, long project. Little regretful. Now we're just cutting and fitting the insulation. Hopefully it'll keep some of the heat in here. It's been freezing the last few days, so just getting this all shaped like it needs to be. We used a wood hardener on this. It's still setting, but hopefully it'll be better. But this is the kind of wood rot we're talking about. Like, it's just missing. It's crazy. But making progress.
What do we got here, Tina?
We're finally rebuilding. We just glued this insulation down. It's not quite right, but now I'm just putting in these supporting pieces just to make sure everything, since it's was broken. It's not perfect, that's for sure, but
it's a good fix.
I think we did a pretty good job. Okay. I think I did a pretty good job. Eric actually helped today.
I did, a little
He
bit.
handed me screwdrivers and then threw a bunch of screws on the ground and
didn't throw
a couple
them.
things.
Knocked them.
Just dropped a lot of things.
Yep. Filling it. What you doing?
Alright, we're almost done. Because it's not completely flush, because I'm not a carpenter, and I don't do this for a living, we got some vinyl that we're going to put over the top of everything. But you can see, I mean, we did pretty decent job, I think. This is the almost finished product. So we replaced everything that's under this wood here, and then put wood hardener on everything else that we left. Put the beams back in. Found some more water damage over here, but we put a wood hardener down, so it's nice and solid now. And that should help because it's not nearly as bad as the other side. So now we put the tile down, which should cover everything up and make it look nice. And then that's pretty much, that'll be the finished product. There goes nothing.
Yay!
Not perfect, but looks alright.
Just do it again. Yeah, I really just like dying. Alright, just watch it. Oh! No, come in. No, not come in. Just save you when you fall. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna fall. Alright, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I call that 10. I'll give you 10. 93 quarters. I gotta do way more time than I was counting. I was like, I did like a 7.5.